Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to replace a Toyota Camry alternator. Before we begin, safety is paramount. Always start by disconnecting the negative battery cable to prevent electrical shorts. You will need a few basic tools, including various socket wrenches, a breaker bar, and a flathead screwdriver. Make sure your vehicle is on a level surface and properly secured before you start any work. Taking these initial steps will ensure a smooth and safe repair process. Now, let's get to accessing the alternator. Your first task is to locate the serpentine belt tensioner. You'll usually need a 14mm or 19mm socket and a long ratchet or breaker bar to rotate it. Apply steady pressure to release the tension on the serpentine belt. Once the tension is off, carefully slide the belt away from the alternator pulley. You don't need to remove the entire belt, just enough to free the alternator. With the belt out of the way, it's time to remove the old alternator. First, disconnect all electrical connections. There are usually 2 or 3, including a main power wire secured by a 10mm nut. Next, remove the mounting bolts, which are commonly 10, 12, or 14mm. Once all bolts are out, carefully maneuver the old alternator from its position. Then, gently slide your new alternator into place, aligning the mounting holes. Finally, let's reassemble everything and test your work. Carefully route the serpentine belt back onto all pulleys, ensuring it's correctly seated, then release the tensioner. Reconnect all electrical wires to the new alternator, securing them tightly. Don't forget to reconnect the negative battery cable. Start your engine and observe the dashboard for any battery warning lights. A quick check with a voltmeter should show around 14 volts, confirming proper charging.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.